feel good because we are same Asian. I'm Asian, you're Asian. It feels kind of bad for me, you know. Oh, your face is horrible, man. Oh, I cannot see it.
I'm gonna upload that. I'm gonna show it to the world.
You okay?
Yeah. Do you want to curse? Yeah. Do you know that I record this conversation so I can upload that you curse Indonesian people? And you've said that.
Okay. I don't care, you know.
Yeah, I don't
I
care.
still think that Korean people are more upper than the Indonesian people.
What more what?
Upper.
Upper like great in things like
On
that?
the position,
Okay. Okay.
in many things, GDP, economy,
Oh.
and
Okay.
everything.
Yeah.
You're
You're gonna be so fucking famous in
I don't care, you
Indonesia.
know, I don't
Oh yeah,
care,
you
know.
just said it's okay to
I don't
upload it though.
fucking
Okay,
care.
I will upload it and I will
Just
show
leave it.
you
just
how
say that
Indonesian
you're
can.
an Asian. What the fuck is racism? You just racism?
What racism? You are the one that says that Korea
Yo.
is better than Indonesia, yo.
First
So
time you saw me, you just saw that I'm Asian. I'm sorry, but you're also Asian, you know?
yes, I'm Asian, so but that's not the
Yeah, I
right
don't
thing. You've
wanna
said
talk
that
to you
Indonesian is
because you're
downgraded
like,
than Korea.
Like, who's that guy?
You've said I've record our conversation.
Okay, you recorded this. I don't care.
Oh yes, you don't care, so I will upload it to YouTube. So if
Yeah, I don't
Indonesian
care,
people
you know?
will know, you're gonna be so
Here.
fucking famous in Indonesia, you dumbass.
I'm so scared. You're gonna upload it in the YouTube, man. I'm
Yeah.
so scared. I'm not fucking scared.
Okay, I'm gonna upload it. You're just giving me a proof to upload this shit to YouTube.
Now, the current thing